Sino nga ba si Noel?
Si Noel? Di ba siya yung malaki? Malaki ang puso.
Si Noel ay yung masarap.
Masarap!
Masarap makatrabaho.
Kaya, in behalf of St. Luke's College of Medicine
And the Association of Philippine Medical Schools National Capital Region,
we support Noel.
Si Noel may sense of humor, tsaka natatawa kami sa mga banat niya.
Mabait siya, tsaka hindi siya mahirap pakisamahan. Tingin ko sa kanya, pag may problema ka, madali siyang malapitan.
Makulit, madaldan, generous.
Mabait siya, tsaka matulungin.
Para sa akin, si Noel Bernardo ay isang mag-aaral, malasakit sa kapwa mag-aaral. Mga dinudulog niya bali sa akin minsan ay para sa kapakanan ng kanyang mga kapwa mag-aaral.
I can say that Noel is very dependable, responsible, at may leadership quality siya.
We've known Noel because we're working together for the APMC events, and I know Noel is a very hardworking person. He's makulit kasi he wants all things to be organized. At the same time, he's very friendly.
I've known Noel for quite some time now, and he's the most hardworking person I have ever worked with. The only downside of Noel is he finishes all our food in APMC.
Good luck, Noel and Harj, from the University of Santo Tomas Faculty of Medicine and Surgery.
Good luck, Noel, at sa buong slate mo.
Good luck, Sir Noel, at sa buong team.
Good luck, Noel, at sa buong team.
Good luck, Noel, at sa buong team.
Please vote for Noel.
Good luck, Noel, at sa buong state mo. Good luck, Noel!
Good luck, Noel, sa buong team nyo.
Good luck, Noel, at sa buong slate mo.